Our focus again this unit is to look at reasoning, logic, and faulty reasoning. And because of that, we're also going to study fallacies. Now, it's very important as you move forward in life that you're able to discern or determine if what you're reading, the information you're reading or seeing or hearing, is valid and logical so that you can make wise decisions and form educated opinions. We've already been introduced to some fallacies and their definitions, so now we're going to use a list of those fallacies to create your own meme. They are going to be funny and entertaining, hopefully, without being disrespectful or school inappropriate. So make sure that it's school appropriate. So to begin, you're going to click on the meme generator, and then you're going to create it, and then use the snipping tool to put it in a slide presentation because you will be creating 3 slides, and I'll show you those 3 slides, what should be on each of them. And then you're going to present them to your pod mates. When you are the audience or when you're presenting, you're going to fill out a meme analysis worksheet. So you're going to determine the claim that the presenter used or implied or explicitly stated. You're going to try to figure out and analyze what the fallacy used was, and then critique it. Evaluate it for what do you think the motive behind the presentation was, and was it effective? Remember, this is constructive criticism. So quickly, to recap that, you're going to create 3 slides, and you are going to present them to your pod mates, and you're going to critique other people's memes. And you're going to use a fallacy. And now you might ask, how do I pick a topic? Well, this unit, we're focused on the essential question, what worldwide challenges do people face today? Do a quick research on current world challenges for some ideas. I know that immediately 10 to 15 different topics will pop up. You can also look at teen issues. Again, school appropriate and not offensive. The first slide will have a title and your name. The second slide will have your meme, Mrs. Peacock's former student, your future if you do not close read. Okay, so you're going to ask the people in your pod, what's your claim? What fallacy did I use? What's the definition of the fallacy? And critique this meme. Now, what you are not going to share with your classmates, but you're going to provide to me, is a third slide where you actually state your claim, you state the fallacy, and then to give a quick definition, and then you're going to critique it. So I explain what I used here, exaggeration. I say that it is effective in making the reader pay attention. My motivation could be that I strongly believe that close reading is important to success of students, et cetera, and it needs to be edited probably. This video and these slides are in Google Classroom. I also included a resource page at the end of the slides. It has the list of fallacies that we've been studying. It has how to create using meme generator, a meme, and how to use the snipping tool on your laptops. And this video is also there.